Kamusta po kayo? I hope you guys are doing great. As promised, ito na. I'm making a video of my great purchase. Itong salt lamp. Christine's Elegant Miracle Salt Lamps. There you go. Okay, so let's start. Siyempre dito muna sa malaki. Well, just to let you know, I've been a fan of salt lamps. Why? Because I have asthma, allergies, attacks, of course, from time to time. But isa lang, over the past year, meron na po akong salt lamp talagang nabili. And I'm really grateful that it helps me get through yung medyo mahirap kong pag-sleep. Plus the fact na hindi ako masyadong nagkakaroon ng hard asthma attack. So, I know all because of the things, the combination of my essential oils, salt lamps, and of course, kasi salt lamps are great air purifier, diba? Plus the plants as well, no? Pero yung plants kasi lately ko na lang siya nailagay sa room ko. Pero I think napaka-powerful na and good energy na ang binibigay sa akin, no, ng aking space, no? Speaking of space, salt lamps gives you a mindful space as well. I mean, yung dahil sa stress na nangyayari sa lahat na nangyayari ngayon sa buong mundo, I know for a fact that you guys are experiencing, and most of you are experiencing yung hindi masyadong magandang tulog, no? Marami na po kasi pwede mangyari after that. So, that's why I'm spreading this love, okay? This is not a paid video. This is really out of love because I want you to experience as well kung ano man yung na-experience ko. And as you all know, hindi po ako nagpo-promote or nag-endorse or nagsispread ng love ng ganun lang. I really try it. I really test it. So, if it works well for me, specifically medyo hindi ako normal, may special child ako ng konti dahil ang pagka-special ng aking skin, ng aking health ay hindi ganun kaganda. So, right now, I'm letting you know about these salt lamps. It's really a good air purifier. Napakaganda niya. Plus, it gives you a positive energy dahil salt technically is cleansing. Okay? So, ayan, you can see tatlo sila. These are the handcrafted ones. Okay? Ito gift sa akin, to birthday gift sa akin ni Miss Christine, and thank you so much. Kasi talagang out of love talaga. Really, thank you. This one we bought for our family dito sa sala. 14